Person, xin chào. Oh my goodness. Hey, guys,
It's
what
scary.
the hell is this? Ah,
Some they like this.
it's so cheap.
No way. There's no way they will sing the Titanic. Ah. Oh wow.
Damn. Massimo. Ah boy, a picture. A picture.
Yeah, fit here. We will try the other one.
Guys, good morning. How is everybody doing? Diggy, 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 diggy. How are you?
I'm good, guy. I'm putting my belt toy.
We're gonna head to the city. We need to go to the camera store. We're gonna buy a new camera. And then we're gonna go roam around in the city. Let's see what the Vietnamese are doing. Sick, sick, sick. What the hell? Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Oi.
Let's go. Ta-da. You have the case.
Yeah, I got the keys. Baby boy, why you take your toy? Damn guys, in Vietnam is super hot. Not very excited to go outside.
Yeah, it's hot in this.
In Europe also guys, I saw in the France, it was 39 degrees right now. Eee.
Indeed.
They're not even fit. So we gotta go some store. Some Japanese store.
Japanese store.
Yeah. Damn, it's so pain to go out here. Look at this. Damn, I don't have much room. I have to turn the wheel also. And behind me, damn, I have a garbage. Oh, I see you. I see, I'm not blind. Can we go? What's up? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Damn, what a good guy. For some reason, if you hold the camera, you know, people are acting much nicer.
Think.
I know. It's like a magic wand, you know. I'm like a Harry Potter. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Today is Friday.
Yeah.
Let's come to the Dragon Bridge. Yeah. You wanna come?
We come here and we visit again.
Yeah, but let's just come earlier.
Okay.
Let's see the flame.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're here.
We
We're
arrived.
here. What's the store name, baby girl?
Tokyo camera. What the heck?
Hey.
What the heck?
What the hell? Ciao. Hello, sir. I was talking with somebody in Facebook.
You buy this.
Actually, yeah. Yeah.
Nè luôn đi.
Không tới ít mà.
Sao cỡ được?
Không
Đồ.
bao.
For free.
Đấy là xe
Yeah,
nói được mà cái bao
that's nice.
không chịu nói. Mua là sao là
Very nice people in this store.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, you got your camera.
You wanna
huh?
open it?
Yeah, let me do the unboxing for you.
Yeah. I got Selena new SD card also because
Yeah.
Selena will take our GoPro over.
Yep. Accessories. I got the cute one.
It's good, right?
Yeah, I like this one. Oh yeah. No, I like it. No, I'm so excited.
Look
Give
at
me
this.
the camera.
Where's the battery, baby?
Is this one?
Look at this, what you will get with the DJI. You will never get this with the GoPro.
That why so cute.
Yeah, it's crazy. You get 3 batteries and a
Yeah,
charging
3.
case. That's crazy.
Just put this in your pocket.
Yeah, exactly. You can just carry this around. With GoPro, you will get only 1 battery. You don't get any charger or anything.
Wow! What a cute camera. Oh, ta-da! Ta-da! Look at that. Where's the battery? Let's put some battery. I will take this off also, right?
Yeah. Like that. Kaboom! No SD card, anything. English language. Then I will set everything up. So guys, how is the quality? Then now we have the DJI What do you think, Selina? Is it better quality?
Yeah, it's good quality.
It's good quality. Yeah. Them to GoPros. Look at this, how small this thing is now. Look at this, how small. It's crazy. Damn, I'm not used to that at all. Later we're gonna go out. We're gonna test low light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
Because
see.
this camera is so good in low light. And look at this battery also. Ba 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 ba. Yes, sir. Damn, that's super nice. I'll take the stroller.
The stroller.
You wanna carry him?
We will walk?
Yeah.
Oh,
what
okay.
you mean? We're so close. We're in downtown, baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn, it's hot.
Is it really hot?
Yep.
Tell me, I don't feel hot. Damn, it's crazy, guys. Selena, look how much light we have.
Yeah, it's so bright.
So bright.
Yeah, it is so much light.
Yeah. I know the quality is not that good, but it's okay. Damn, baby.
Yeah.
We can
Oh
be
my,
outside
yeah.
in nighttime. Yeah, that's super nice. Xin chào.
There's lots of people. Take one slipper here.
Yeah. Much
They still
nicer.
did, yeah.
How much? 250. Thank you, thank you. 250. 10 USD.
Oh, they also have store here. Oh, you need to do that like that.
Fucking Indus.
Yeah, they don't want to move. Where's their disco?
Sorry?
Where's their disco?
I don't know. There's no way they have a McDonald's right here.
Yeah.
You smell? It smells like baby diapers.
Yeah, I smell. Yeah, McDonald's is right here.
Oh wow. You want popcorn, Selena?
Boko?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
I will get
Give me
one.
Boko.
Xin chào. Can I have one? Very good, yeah. Have one. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. Come on. Yeah, come on.
You can take this.
Yeah, it's good, right? It's crazy they put that on the fridge.
Yeah, to keep it
Xin chào.
fresh maybe.
We're just gonna try this song real quick.
Oh, well, baby, let's go see the karaoke.
Where?
Somebody's trying a song.
They're saying Titanic. Don't tell me they will sing the Titanic. No way. There's no way they will sing the Titanic.
Wow. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Hello, xin chào.
Hello.
Young, beautiful girls, right?
Yeah. Oh my God, he's sleeping, Simon. Let's put it down.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, that's why his head was like this.
Yeah, little boy. Yeah, it was nice to walk outside this time.
Yeah, it's so nice. It's not hot.
It's not hot, yeah. It's very nice. Rambo.
It's egg.
It's egg. Really?
Real egg.
Oh wow, that's good.
Oh
I don't want. Damn, I can't believe it's not hot at all. Yeah, in this time it's so nice to come outside. Imagine what's happening in Bangkok in this time.
Yeah.
It will be crazy.
The street food not really good.
You're saying Vietnam is not good.
It's this one. This street food.
It has no taste, right? Maybe you are used to with this old oil taste from
They
the
cook it.
Philippines.
They cook it. She cook it also in the oil.
Yeah, but in the Philippines they use this old oil, you know. You have so many leftover spices over there. So you don't even need to add the taste.
You're crazy.
But here they cook in a clean oil, so it's like tasteless.
Oh wow.
Damn! Massimo!
That's big.
Huh?
That's big.
Oh my goodness! Damn!
wow.
That's crazy. That's so big.
Holy. Oh yeah. So much.
Damn. Wow. Dude, what the hell is
Now
this?
look at those. So much seafood. Oh my
Selena.
god.
Look at this one. Damn, that's crazy. Oh wow.
Look how huge is that.
Oh my
So
goodness.
huge. Look at this one. Oh my.
Oh, crap.
Woo. Look at this crabs. Oh, guys, look at this. So much street food here. All alive. They're so big. Look at these guys. My goodness.
Under there.
What's that? Can I go also look?
Wow.
There's so many.
look at
Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. What is that fish? Ah. Damn, that's so big.
It's crazy.
That's huge. Oh my god.
Have you seen that Alaska when they catch this?
Ah yeah, Alaska, right?
Yeah.
Alaska.
They won't touch it. Very
Wow.
good.
Damn, there's so many.
It's unbelievable, right?
Yeah. Did they cook it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, over there they cook.
Damn, can't believe. Damn. Every time I saw this thing, damn, my heart is bumping.
You want a mango shake? Xin chào, xin chào. Me, I want. Can I have mango shake? Can I have mango shake?
Mango?
Yeah, mango shake, yeah. But take out. Take out, yeah. Thank you, miss. But do you have, can I have one coconut also?
One coconut.
Yeah, this one, yeah. Yeah, you give change. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, my ice cream. Ice cream, mango shake. Yeah, them Asians, they try to be white. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
It's just
Disgusting.
disgusting. Yeah, it is disgusting. It don't fit at all. Yeah,
Really?
it's so weird. Yeah, super weird.
It's nice to be white also.
Ah.
Ala, Simon, Simon.
Say pasalusta.
Huh?
Say pasalusta. Pasalusta.
What's that mean?
It means, excuse me. Ah boy, it fits you. It fits you.
Yeah, fit here. Let me try the other one.
It's not bad. You see,
That one like I'm working in the rice field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
we already bought this one time.
Yeah,
You
you
remember?
throw it away?
Because it got ugly, we didn't take care of it.
I always wear it every day.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.